What's up guys, my name is Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and today I'll be showing you how you can defrag your hard disks on Windows 10 for some extra performance. Note that if you have an SSD, you should not be defragging it. Instead, there is something called trim that I'll also demonstrate. So simply hit start and type in defrag. Then go ahead and click on defragment and optimize drives. And then you'll be presented with this window over here. You also look a little bit different, but go ahead and select a hard disk and then hit analyze to find out how fragmented it is, or go ahead and hit optimize to start analyzing and then optimizing straight away. If you just hit analyze, it will only analyze the disk and nothing more. You'll have to click optimize right after it's done. Of course, this can only do one hard disk at a time. If I were to select another one and hit analyze, you can see that it's paused. One of them is on 59%, 60%, and the other is stuck at 0. As soon as this disk is done and all of the passes are finished, it'll go ahead and optimize the other disks. So I'm going to go ahead and stop these. As you can see, my C drive is a solid state drive as well as G and H. If I were to hit optimize, it'll run trim and it'll help give a little bit of extra performance and save a little bit of space. Not a huge boost, but it is something. Again, you don't need to defragment all the time. However, when it gets to above 10% or whatever, you can go ahead and do it. It's a really minuscule performance boost that you'll be gaining, so don't expect a huge amount out of it. If you'd like to find out how to defragment multiple disks at once using other software, go ahead and check the description down below for a link to a video on that. I use that software instead of the one built into Windows, but if you only have 1 or 2 hard disks and you're going to leave it running overnight, this is more than fine for you. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.